A beautiful story, The Proud Parrot. Once there lived a parrot in a big tree. He was very proud of his beautiful wings and red beak. One day he saw a crow. He thinks, how ugly the crow wings are. He said to the crow, his wings are black and ugly. The crow replied, thought, they are ugly and black, but at least they help me to fly at a larger distance. The parrot moved little more closer to the crow and spread his wings. He said, look, how beautiful my wings are. Just then, a man arrived there with a cage and caught the beautiful parrot and left the place. The moral of the story is don't be proud of something that you have or shamed others. Thanks for watching.